Everything is imaginary, so we can have our own sentences. Population. So I can say, il y a plus de population dans la ville. Okay, I don't want to mention que. Okay, it is obvious that here I'm comparing it to a village. So, il y a plus de population dans la ville. That's it. Okay, here you can say, dans la ville, il y a moins de nature. Okay, I can keep it till here, or I can say que dans un village. Okay, dans la ville, il y a moins de nature, or dans la ville, il y a moins de nature que dans un village. Okay, then I want to say they are big, but the city is bigger. Okay, so I can say la ville est plus grande, okay, que le village. Okay, la ville est plus grande que le village. Okay, and if you want to say with moi, le village est moins grand que la ville. Okay, and here the gender of the adjective depends on the first element, not the second. Okay, if I'm saying le village est moins, so grand. If I'm saying la ville est moins, so grande. Okay, then moderne, we can say la ville est plus moderne. That's it. Okay, I don't want to add que in this case. Then beau, let's say the city is as beautiful as the village. So la ville est aussi belle que le village. Okay, I used belle instead of beau because we are talking about ville. Ville is the first element. Okay, here I used aussi que. Okay, then travailler. If I want to say that both work hard, okay, or I want to say that the city people work as much as the ones in village. Okay, so how will I say that? We'll use the verb travailler. So what I'll say is les habitants de la ville travaillent autant que. Okay, autant and que together after travailler. Okay, because we are comparing travailler, a verb. Les habitants de la ville travaillent autant que les habitants du village. Okay, so the residents of the city or the city people work as much as the rural residents or the villagers. Okay, yes, that's how we use the words see. Autant que, then we have aussi, then adjective, then que. Okay, here also we have plus, moins, and then que. Here also moins de because we are comparing nature, which is a noun. Here also plus de because we are comparing population, that is a noun. Okay, so population and nature are the examples of nouns. Okay, then grand, moderne, and beau are the examples of adjectives. Okay, then travailler and sortir of verbs, and calmement and bien for adverbs. Okay, So now let's take another example sortir. If I want to say that the city residents go out more, right? So I can say les habitants de la ville sortent plus. Okay, yeah, that's how it is. Then calmement, we can say les habitants du village habitent plus calmement. Okay, so here plus is for calmement, that is an adverb. Okay, so it will be placed before the adverb. Okay, and lastly, we have bien. Okay, bien in this case, I cannot write like this. Les habitants du village they live better. Okay, so I cannot say plus bien. Okay, plus bien doesn't exist. We have a term that is mieux. Okay, so what you should know is whenever we are using an adverb, bien, okay, so plus bien is mieux. And if we are saying better, that is more good, then plus bon doesn't exist, it's meilleur. Okay, if you're able to use it now, good. If not, don't worry, it will be covered once again in the next level. Okay, yes, so what you should know is that this is the structure that you'll use, and you should be able to apply it when you need it or when the situation arises. You should be aware of it, that okay, here I have to use comparison. Okay, so the structures should be very well learned. Okay, then it will become easier for you to use or apply it. Ok, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Merci et ciao.